Dear students, now we are going to see geography first lesson, interior of earth. Answer the following in detail. Book back, okay? Detailed question answers. First question. Write about the effects of an earthquake. The answer. Earthquake, okay? First point. Earthquakes may cause changes in the earth's surface. Vibrations often set landslides in mountainous region. Second one, a greater danger in an earthquake is the falling of buildings. Third one, fire is another great danger. Okay, fire is another great danger. Underground water system is naturally disturbed by such movements. Fourth point, an earthquake which originates below or near the sea causes great disturbances in the water. Fifth point, tsunami, a Japanese term, is the name given to the huge wave caused in the sea by earthquake. Okay, tsunami, a Japanese term, is the name given to the huge waves caused in the sea by an earthquake. Okay, second question. Describe the classification of volcano based on the eruptions. Answer is, first point, volcanoes are also grouped according to their periodicity of eruptions, such as active, dormant, extinct. Second one, these names refer to the state of activity rather than the types of volcanoes. These names refer to the state of activity rather than the types of volcanoes. Third one, active volcanoes that erupt frequently are called active volcanoes. Most of the active volcanoes lay in the Pacific Ring of Fire belt, which lays along the Pacific coast. Fourth one, Mount Stromboli in Mediterranean Sea, St. Helens in USA, Pinatubo in Philippines. Fifth one, dormant volcanoes have shown no sign of activity for many years, but they may become active at any time. It is also called sleeping volcano. Okay, it is also called sleeping volcano. Next, third question. Name the major zone of volcanic activity and explain any one. Answer. There are three major zones of volcanic activity in the world. Okay, there are three major zones. They are, first one, the circum-Pacific belt. Second one, the mid-continental belt. Third one, the mid-Atlantic belt. Okay, now we explain the first one, the circum belt, that is Pacific belt. This is the volcanic zone of convergent oceanic plate boundary. This is the volcanic zone of the convergent oceanic plate boundary. It includes the volcanoes of eastern and western coastal areas of Pacific Ocean. This zone is popularly termed as Pacific Ring of Fire, which has been estimated to include 2/3 of the world's volcano. This zone is popularly termed as Pacific Ring of Fire, which has been estimated to include two-thirds of the world's volcanoes. Thank you.